of hair rebonding. Hair rebonding is not just about creating straight hair. It is a careful chemical process that combines skill, technique, and proper safety procedure to maintain healthy hair.
Sectioning, air pads, tail comb, applicator brush, wide tooth comb, mixing bowl, shoulder cape, gloves, towel, blower, iron, and conditioner. So first, section the hair into 9 and take the thin hair to apply the rebonding cream or first solution. And left for 20 to 40 minutes depending on the hair type and product instruction. So this is the final look for hair to rebonding cream. So next, rinsing well. After rinsing, the hair is blow dried. Make sure 100% dry in hair. So after the blower, section the hair into 6 before iron. And after that, flat iron to make it straight. Make sure they are equal or even to straight the hair to make them beauty or shiny hair. Make sure 1 inch from the scalp. And now, the neutralizer or second solution is applied to set the hair. Blow dry again and make sure the 100% dry in here. And use for ear pads to make the ear is fine. Use the tail comb to make the hair straight. And after that, flat iron again and make sure they be equal or even. Finally, the hair is rinsed, conditioner, dry, and styled. And this is the final look for hair. Thank you for watching.